So I want to show you guys how to add design elements. Remember, we're going for a cohesive look to our yearbook this year, and one of the ways that we can create a similar visual theme is by some of these design elements that we have created. So there are two ways to add these design elements to your page. You can go up here to the green little photo icon, click on it, and then over here on the left-hand side, you will see the one that says design elements. You can click, and down at the bottom click add to page. Now my recommendation, because I've made this mistake several times, is don't click inside one of our boxes. Click over here on the outside so that the entire design element fills and doesn't get trapped by a box. So now you can move this around and place wherever you would like. The second location for the design elements is actually in the library. So click on the library, go to the graphics tab, and select whichever one of these you are interested in. Then you are going to click add to page, and again stay on the outside of the design, the page design. That way we don't accidentally put it in a text box or an image box. And again, you can move that around to your heart's content. Obviously both of these are now covering up the text and images, which we don't want. So if you come over here and you right click on the image, you can send all the way back. Do the same thing, send all the way back, and now it appears behind our text and images. You can still move it around, you can still change where it is. It does get a little bit trickier once you have sent it back, especially if you've got a lot of text and image on the page. You want to make sure you don't accidentally grab those sections to move as well. I did want to point out, you can also add these to your My Content. So again, going over here to the design elements, clicking on something, and then clicking add to my content. And once you're back in the page, if you come over here, it would appear in your photos section, or if you did it through the graphics section, it would appear there as well. That way, if you're a real big fan of this one with the red little bit on it, might be a super cool thing to throw in your graphics so that you always have access to it.